My name is Minerva Serrano, and I will be a freshman at Forsyth Tech Community College. I wanted to thank my sponsor at the YMCA for the scholarship and giving me the opportunity to keep studying. My mom is my main mentor because she has been giving me advice, and she still gives me advice, and she pushes me and encourages me to keep studying and to not give up, to accomplish my goals. I would like to make my family members proud of me because they want to see me in a higher place. Like, they don't want me to live what they used to live, and well, they just want me to become a better person. And despite what we had been going through, they want me to be someone better. I have 3 siblings. They're younger, so I'm the oldest. So I feel like I'm the person they have to see. I want to feel like they admire me or something. I want them to also become a better person, to follow my steps and not go through the wrong way, and study what they liked as well.